Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to learn how to bring in Easyworship 2009 to Vmix for your live streaming. If you want to bring in Easyworship to your Vmix for your live streaming so that the audience will see the scripture the pastor is giving out on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, or even your church service. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to bring in Easyworship to Vmix. So first of all, let's launch the Vmix app. Wait for it to load. Okay, so our Vmix is up here. Then the next thing we're going to do is let's minimize this. Okay, so let's launch the Easyworship 2009. Okay, so our Easyworship is up here. Then go and click on this option. Okay, so go to output monitor, then change it from primary monitor to the custom position. So change the primary monitor to the custom position so that it will able to connect to Vmix. Just click on OK. Now let's give out a scripture. Okay, a scripture. Okay, now don't minimize this Easyworship. Then let's go to Vmix. The next thing we're going to do to bring in the Easyworship is click on the add input here. Then go to the NDI desktop capture. Make sure that your PC is having the NDI plugin before you do this, so that you can connect Easyworship or Bible show to Vmix. If you are not able to install NDI for your PC, you are not able to connect the Easyworship or do a connection like this. So from here, after you click on the desktop capture, just click on the local desktop. You can see that the Easyworship is live here. Don't click on the first one, click on the live output. Okay, so click on OK. Now you can see that your Easyworship is up here on Vmix. Let's say you are on live and the pastor is giving out a scripture for you to show it to the audience, or in your church service, you is on your screen. Click on this, you can see that it's up here. Okay, so this is how you connect the Easyworship to Vmix. Very simple, and very simple to do it, and very simple to connect it. Have the NDI, you are able to connect Vmix. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for turning on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.